Hey, it's Matt, aka the Natural Guinea Pig, and I'd like to introduce you to Breathwork Therapy. Meet Rob Rose. Rob is an amazing practitioner in Breathwork Therapy, whom I was lucky enough to meet several months ago. I had the opportunity to sit down with Rob and ask him some questions about breathwork.
Breathwork is a very deep form of breathing, very full breath. It's this connected rhythm of breathing, and people find themselves falling into this rhythm, breathing deeply, fully, bringing in a ton of energy, circulating energy throughout the body, and naturally stagnant, dense energy can shift and move.
Are you someone who has tried meditation or other forms of mindfulness and it really hasn't clicked for you? If so, then you're like me. Breathwork therapy has been my saving grace and has opened my mind to the fact that I am able to meditate. I am able to find mindfulness and a calm sense of being. And I encourage you to try it as well.